This is the oldest part of the house, the Great Hall, 1453. It was built, but there would have been, before that, other buildings on the site. But this has survived since 1453. And I think right back to probably Roman times, there was a settlement here. One thing gets knocked down and another built. The roof is the original. Or windows wouldn't have been like that. The owners got into financial difficulties and it was sold on and not lived in, and it basically ended up empty of all furnishings. Only the fabric of the building was left. And it was last century, in 1907, that Sir Walter Jenner and his wife bought the property to make a home. So all the furnishings and all the artefacts, everything in here, are what the Jenners brought to the property. But as you will see, a lot of them, they're old pieces of furniture. He was a very canny man, Sir Walter Jenner. After the First World War, when the big houses were having to sell off a lot of their furniture, he took advantage. So there are some very valuable pieces of furniture and some quirky things he just liked and bought for his house. You have to imagine it was empty until, over 100 years ago. Things like the panelling were here, and obviously the flooring are all original. But everything else is what the Jenners brought.